Cleethorpes is a very busy seaside town. This was in the middle of lockdown, and North East Lincolnshire County Council wanted to start reopening shops and businesses but help maintain social distancing. We installed about 1,000 metres of barriers over a 4-night period. They used the barriers to narrow the streets and widen the pavements to allow people to remain 2 metres apart. Before we began the project, we visited Cleethorpes to do a risk assessment to enable us to plan the work and to make sure that we had the correct people and plant in place to carry out the work safely. One of the biggest challenges working in a very built-up environment is pedestrians, parked cars, trees, all sorts of overheads, pavements, street furniture. But this is something we've been doing now for a very long time, and we've got great people working on the ground, supervising what we're doing. The machine we use here behind me is basically like a mini crane, and it can lift and carry these barriers and position them with little effort. We were absolutely delighted to be part of this scheme. We had great feedback from the council, and the barriers provided a solution for Cleethorpes to enable businesses to reopen, people to start coming back out after lockdown, and yet still maintain social distance. This is just another example of the work we do here at APC and the solutions we provide for our customers.